Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to make your MacBook look aesthetic. So let's get started. Firstly, in order to make your MacBook look aesthetic, you'll have to change your wallpaper in a certain way. So in order to change the wallpaper, all you have to do is double tap on your MacBook desktop and a drop down menu will appear. Then simply tap on the change wallpaper option available from there. So after you tap on the change wallpaper option, you'll be navigated to the system settings wallpaper. So from here you can choose any wallpaper according to your preferences, but let me choose the plain one. So here I'm choosing some color which will make my MacBook look aesthetically pleasing. So let me choose this color. You can choose according to your preferences obviously. So I'm choosing this one. So after this, all you have to do is tap on the cross sign in the system settings and again double tap on the desktop. Then you will get to see the drop down menu again. Now choose the edit widget option available from there. Now you can choose various widget in order to make your desktop look pleasing. Now I'm choosing the clock first of all. Choose the calendar. You can choose the weathers, battery percentage, notes, reminders. Choose any widget according to your preferences. Here I'm choosing some. You can also choose clock in various different shapes and sizes. So you can also choose the find my things option as well. You can choose anything to make your desktop look aesthetically pleasing. So after you choose everything, now let's drag them and arrange it. So you can arrange it according to your preferences obviously by dragging them to the any side of your desktop. Here I am creating all of them in the left side of the desktop. So you can see it looks quite aesthetic. You can also change wallpaper into white color. If you love white color, then you can also change it into pink in order to make it look more pleasing. So wallpaper is all up to you, and you can also change the widget according to your preferences. You can change the widget sizes, colors and options. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.